Hi friends, welcome to UNS classes previous year question from NEET Biology. Let's directly go to the question. Here today's question is, which enzyme is responsible for the conversion of inactive fibrinogen into fibrin? Right? So this question is all about, this is concerned to which topic? Yes, this is concerned to blood clotting. So when we need a blood clotting, when there is a cut in the blood vessel and the material in the blood vessel oozes out, we need a plug there, right? So normally if there is a blood vessel and it gets a cut like this somewhere, what happens first? It triggers some activity in the cell and the platelets present in the cell comes and attracted to the site of the wound, right? This platelets in turn attracts the RBCs, right? Now the RBC and platelets have made a plug here, but there is an extra substance called fibrin, which is, what is it called? It's called fibrin, right? Fibrin comes in picture and forms a mesh here so that the plug becomes tight and nothing oozes out from the blood vessel. Now here the question is, this is fibrin, right? Fibrin. Now the question is, the inactive form of fibrin is called fibrinogen. Fibrinogen. And the question is, which is the enzyme that converts this inactive form of fibrinogen, which is present in our blood, into fibrin at the time of a cut in the blood vessel or an injury in the blood vessel, right? That's the question. So for that, let's go to the cascade of blood clotting. Blood clotting has a two pathway, that is intrinsic pathway and extrinsic pathway, right? This both pathway converts in a common factor, that is factor 10, or we can also call it as thrombokinase. What it is called? Thrombokinase. So the function of thrombokinase is to convert prothrombin, that is the inactive form of the thrombin, prothrombin into thrombin. And the function of thrombin here is to convert fibrinogen into fibrin, which comes into picture during an injury in the blood vessel or in the skin, which comes and forms a mesh and plugs the wound. So here the question is, which enzyme is responsible for the conversion of inactive form of the fibrin into the active form called fibrin? So let's see the option. Here the options are thrombokinase. We know thrombokinase, right? But what does thrombokinase does here? Function of thrombokinase is to convert prothrombin into thrombin, right? And thrombin, what's the function of thrombin? We know that the function of thrombin is to convert inactive form of fibrinogen into fibrin. We got the answer, right? Thrombin. What are the other two options they have here? Renin. What is renin here? See the spelling of renin, R-E-N-I-N. We also know another enzyme called R-E-N-N-I-N, right? That is also called renin. What is the difference here? This renin is present or concerned near kidney, and this is concerned during the digestion of the milk, right? Digestion, right? So this option is nowhere related to blood clotting. Now last is epinephrine. You know epinephrine, right? Epinephrine is also known as adrenaline, the fright and flight hormone. So we know the answer is thrombin converts fibrinogen into fibrin. Thrombokinase converts prothrombin into thrombin, and other two options are nowhere related to clotting, right? Hope you got the concept. Happy learning.